VOLTINU's price has been dipping, and you might be wondering, is it going to continue to dip? The question you might have is, if you've watched my previous video, pretty much 2 months ago, I called the top and then I explained why whales are selling, how well orders are filled, how big money moves. This video says 1 month ago, but it was in December. So since then, as you can see at this point right here, we pretty much went down over 36% since my video. That was at the mid-December. So I haven't made a VOLTINU video or one VOLTINU video since then, and some of you wanted me to make one. I had some tweets, what should I talk about? And I actually had really good ROI, like 142%. It's a little bit more right now. I have a dip, but yeah, the top was 160, 170% P&L in 20-ish days. You can see it on the new account. The profit was around 4.6 grand on the 2.5k account. You can see my win rate was really high, and pretty much the way I'm talking about, and I don't charge anything, I don't have a signals group or anything, but pretty much the same strategy I have for scalping, I use a similar one for long-term investing, I would say. And it all consists of finding the right tokens with a good screener and the right stocks, finding volume. VOLTINU right now has a very good volume, and this is what one of the things we'll discuss. It actually has a healthy volume, but also tell you a few issues I have. Pretty much every single day I go over all the new tokens or the hot tokens for the day. So if you click the subscribe button, you'll be alerted on all of that. Hit the subscribe, hit the like button, and let's talk about VOLTINU. You can also claim some bonuses. If you follow my link, I have a special bonus link from BITGET. $5,005 is what you can earn if you check the link in the description down below. We'll talk about some news for VOLTINU. The main issue I have for VOLTINU is their approach. Pretty much on the exchanges, as you can see right now, they're trying to pitch eToro. Obviously, exchange route is good, but this is not a long-term sustainable strategy, just getting listed on new exchanges. There's a lot of tokens that failed that are on Binance as well. Obviously, their road endgame here would be Binance listing, but I don't see a long career of just being listed on exchanges. VOLTINU's community is strong. It's one of the strongest communities that I have seen in general. But I do believe that we have some issues right here. So the first issue I can see on the chart is we are obviously below any interest of accumulation, right? We've had the breakout, but we've also are seeing something else. I'm actually seeing this right here. Why don't I have it added? I have it on TradingView, but I don't have it here. So the accumulation was pretty much here, and we are touching it right now. We can also see some divergence. If you open up the RSI indicator, you probably see a divergence right here. RSI relative to the price, because you probably have a lower RSI, a higher price. We do not see the volume we had in November that pumped up the price right here for the breakout, but if we see a pattern emerging, we can definitely see a similar situation to what we've had. Low volume in right here. What date was that? It was mid-October. You can see if we draw a trend line right here, you can see the similarity probably. The break would be a high that we probably print here. Then we can do a breakout pattern for it. Would I accumulate here? Maybe I would a little bit. My issue right now is that it is below the, let me just add the 200 EMA. We're actually below the 200 EMA, which is, oh, or it's not appearing here because there's not enough data. Yeah, we're if we see a pattern like this emerging, I'll buy, but it wouldn't be my typical buy here. I'm more likely to short these opportunities that we have right here. If there was an easy way to short VOLTINU, if there is, let me know in the comment section down below. So I'll be waiting for that. I've checked the Reddit so far today. I couldn't see anything interesting. Mostly people pitching their YouTube videos. Plus, I've been trying to sell my coins, just people that have issues or new exchange listings. So pretty much nothing has changed since last year for VOLTINU. It's been the same thing. Bitcoin, there's a lot more to talk about. Bitcoin in general, I'm long. I managed to. I've been long this whole time since the 4th of January. Right here, the beginning of this bull run. I've been trading the 1 hour chart, scalping it, right now I'm long. I suffered some losses yesterday. I was long from this dip, but I'm mostly made most of them back. And we're not even back here yet. I've been scalping very actively. I knew this was a fake out. I wasn't worried. I was going below the 200 EMA. I want to show you a little bit about what news we have, because I want to be up to date and actually want to get back into recording more, because I was very active, few videos a day. Now I'm mostly trading, so I don't do that many videos, but I am interested in going back to that. So if you want to be up to date, let me just check my trades. Yeah, nothing interesting. Wow, this was just want to show you this. I want to show you my terminal, but I'll show you on trading view this how close this trade was to my take profit. One. So my take profit is right here at the high. It was 1 cent off or something. My take profit is 1 cent below, so 3.3 is my take profit. It went to 3.2, so literally zero. This is so unfair, actually. But yeah, I'll probably hit that anyway, so I'm not worried. I'll probably hit that by the end of this video while I record. I'm up on it. If you're wondering where I accumulated, I bought in here. At the 10 EMA. And I'm trying to target this. It's a quick scalp. I have a really good success rate, win rate, hit rate on this strategy. So news-wise, I want to talk about Sam Bankman-Fried. He tried to connect with FTX CEO John Ray via email. This just came out for the general public. Sam Bankman-Fried's FTX exchange, it appeared to be operating smoothly. However, there were so many issues. The demise, blah, blah, blah. John Ray was appointed as the new CEO of FTX. Now, according to the latest details that surfaced, SBF has tried to connect with Ray through email. He wants to be helpful to Ray. He says, I would really love to reconnect and see if there's a way for us to have a constructive relationships, use the each other's resources when possible. So he's really trying to help out. I'll do another update on a few other news that I've seen emerging. Okay, one is dumping now. That I've seen emerging in the crypto sphere ecosystem. I can do an update tomorrow. Let me know what token you want me to cover. See you next one. Love you guys and girls. Bye.